In fact, this YouTube studio feature is giving small YouTubers more views than you ever think of. Yes, and so if you're a small YouTuber struggling to get views, this particular video is for you. There is this in a YouTube studio that most YouTubers have actually overlooked at, and that is a game changer, giving small YouTubers a lot of subscribers, and that's exactly the one I am revealing to you in this particular video. So straight away, let's go to the YouTube studio, and hey, this is it now. When you are in your YouTube studio, the first place to go is to go to where we have that of the settings. But even before you get to the settings, let me show you something here. You get down right here, you get down, you're going to see customization over there. I will send you back to where we have the settings, but before that, let's get to the customization. You're going to see customization over here. Yes, and so you click on that. So now when you click on that, you wait patiently for it to open for you, and then we're going to start something so interesting over here. And this one is in the YouTube studio that is doing the magic for a whole lot of people, but it seems that some people are not even aware, and that is exactly the one I'm revealing to you. It has helped me a lot, and so after knowing this, please do well to move on to your YouTube studio straight away, activate this particular feature, and it's actually going to do the magic for you. Now once you are here, let's scroll down. Just scroll down. You're going to see we have home and that of the profile. You see we have the home tab and the profile. So scroll down, just scroll down small to where we have the video watermark. Something amazing over here. As you can see clearly, this is exactly what we're going to do. And that, you see the red lines you see over here, is something you're going to love at the end of this particular video. It's going to actually help you a lot. Okay, so as a small YouTuber, watch this video so carefully, so closely, and it's going to help you a lot. But before that, you see, let me let you see one thing over here. Now let's watch a particular video. See, this is a video of mine showing clearly over here, and then check on the screens, especially at this side. Check, we are going to see something over here at the end of this feature. We're going to activate it, and so let's get back to the YouTube studio and let me show you something over here. Now when you get to the video watermark, it says that the watermark will appear on your videos on the right hand corner of the video player. Now this is a trick here. You see, whenever you actually making your video, there are sometimes your video may be very powerful, a very informative video, but you will even forget to give out a CTA, a very powerful CTA. That is what we call to action, telling your subscribers what to do, or those who are watching you. You see, the people who watch your videos are not always all your subscribers. Some are new viewers, and so if you forget to let them know what they should do, they will also be able to forget about that. And so this particular YouTube studio feature is here to guide you, to let your subscribers, or the one who are watching you, that is the viewers, your new viewers, your new audience, to know exactly what they are to do. And so you get to the upload button over here, and now you are going to upload an image with an inscription, subscribe now or subscribe. As you can see, I have it over here. It's either this one. You see, I have two ways or two formats over here: subscribe now or subscribe now with this particular one. You see, there are two. So let's use the one that's showing like a folded one. We're actually going to practice the two. Okay, so we click on open over here, and now immediately you do that, it's going to show to you to crop it. Okay, so if it's okay for you, then you click on done. This is the done. Okay, you select done, and then rightly it should show at the right side of the particular video. So assuming your video is this format, you see, you're going to see this. So as people watch your video, they are going to see subscribe now from start to end. So it depends on the format or the display time that you want. You see, we have display timings over here. We have end of video. We have custom start time. That is, you are going to set the actual time you want this subscribe thing to show. And then we have entire video. So with this one, it's going to show from start till the end of the video, therefore prompting your viewers, prompting your new audience to do subscribe to your channel. That is it. Now let's see a practical thing over here. Immediately you finish activating this, the next thing is to click on public. Let's do it publish over here. As you can see, we have publish over here. on top there, just check your top corner over there. As you can see, we are published, and then you click on the publish, as simple as ABC. Good. And I'm going to see a notification that it's been activated for you. Okay, great. So as you can see, changes published, go to your channel. So now when you scroll down, let's scroll down and see. When you scroll down, you're actually going to see that this is showing over there. As you can see, it's showing. And then one thing is, we selected end of video. Let's select entire video to see something over here. So we've selected entire video, and then we select publish again. I'm sure now you're conversant with that one. Now changes have been published, as you can see clearly. So now let's get to the video we were watching previously. This is a video I was watching. The thing is not showing here. So what we're gonna do is, let's refresh the page. Let us refresh the page and see if it is actually now showing. Good. So now the page is refreshed. As you can see, there's actually going to be maybe an ad will be showing or something. Let's wait for the ad to finish showing, and then the actual video will start playing right away. Okay, there's an ad over here. For the sake of the video, let's skip it. Okay, so let's get the video quickly so that I can be able to show you exactly what I want to show you. So you see, this is actually showing right here, and it looks like a magic. Oh yes, so you see, subscribe now, that is it over here. So when you hover your mouse pointer onto the subscribe now thing over there, you're going to see subscribe. So as someone watches your video, the new viewer watches your video, it will be able to subscribe to your channel with ease without struggling him or herself. That is it. And that is a strategic thing helping all small YouTubers over here. And I've helped a lot of YouTubers, and that is one of the secrets of the YouTube Studio feature that I'm revealing to you. Do well to activate it right now. So now let's take other videos of mine. Let's click on this particular one and see if it's going to show over here as well. So you can see it's still showing over here as well. Okay, it's also showing on this particular new video I clicked on. So as you can see, that is it. Subscribe now. So attach my tutorials. As you put the mouse pointer over there, it's going to show it like this. So this one is applicable for those who are going to watch your videos with laptops, okay, with a very large screen, or sometimes people put their phones on desktop mode, PC version, and watch your videos. It's actually going to show for them. So it's also going to help you. So even if you forget to tell them to subscribe, this particular thing, it's really going to remind them to subscribe to your channel. Use this, apply this, activate it. A lot of YouTubers have not activated the particular one, and you see it is not automatically activated in your YouTube Studio. No, and so you need to activate it. You need to turn it on in your YouTube Studio, and when you finish, don't forget to click on the publish as we did it over there, and hey, it's actually going to do the magic for you, therefore helping you to get more subscribers. With this approach, your 1,000 subscribers is very easy to get. Apply that, and hey, let's hear from you at the comment section. Now let me know, how many subscribers do you have now? Before you practice this, before you activate this, let me know the number of subscribers you have now under the comment section, and then let's see what's going to happen after applying this. Now this is why I bring the particular video to an end. Thank you very much for watching, and if you found value in this video, do well to click on the subscribe button, be part of this family, as I keep on giving you powerful tips and tricks like this to also grow your YouTube channel. Oh yes, and hey, before you go, let me show something over here. This particular video is a mind-blowing video I made specifically for those who would want to know other places to promote their YouTube videos. And so I've been able to find out and made research and practiced about 6 important and best places to promote your YouTube videos to get more views and more subscribers. Watch this particular video, and hey, it's actually going to be mind-blowing for you. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video.